Hey, what's up there? YouTube and maybe TikTok. This is crazy work. That's just crazy work, man. But also crazy that Magic hug me. Sorry, me and Bert. Melody Buzzard was last seen on surveillance video in Colorado, Utah line. Her mother, who was in court on a charge last month, is still apparently telling investigators very little. I can tell you that as of this morning, there's no change in got package. Hopefully it's one of my things I've ordered. Yeah, it's one of my things I've ordered. Sweet. And it's for my phone too, so. Here comes the charger.
My daughter, she was diagnosed with a brain tumor. We are never promised tomorrow. Every day really is a gift. And I always pray, for another day. And then the next morning I wake up and I think, oh, I got another one. And hopefully have so many more of those.
Time is right now to give a UN gift that can help St. Jude Children's Research Hospital save lives. Please call, go online, or scan the QR code right now to help make it a scene of hope.
I made a tripod, sweet.
As a parent, you trying your best to be not a brother. And seeing the 3-year-old going through what she's going through, it's tough.
I try not to think into the future. But your child is there. That was hard. You just want to help your child.
Please, don't wait for the last minute. For just $19 a month, you can make a difference.
Oh, that is supposed to come with lights.
Because without
Join your credit or debit card for only $19 a month, and we'll send you this St. Jude t-shirt you can proudly wear to show your support.
It has been a very tough journey for such a small
Yep, my mini tripod.
It wasn't for St. Jude, and the donations, I don't know where Maisie would be. And courageous. Love you.
From St. Jude, find more cures for more children. Please donate.
Febreze.
Have you tried these Febreze carbon clips? The intensity dial gives you total control.
Now I got something to record.
That's not good. Or turn it down. Nice and light. Enjoy 40 days of freshness.
Anyways, that's my opening for today. I'll be playing more later on, so yay. Anyways, peace. to start.